Hi, welcome to Medical Holodeck. In the following video, we're going to be describing some of the basic functions of this VR anatomy system to help you and guide you with your learning. So as you start the Anatomy Master, you're going to be in this environment over here. You can look around, right? And you're going to have two anatomical models. One is the male model and a female model. And you can also observe your hands in VR. Your controllers have the shape of white hands. Okay, each hand is very different in VR. Your right hand has a slicing tool that you can see with this frame over here, right? And what this does, it allows you to slice through the anatomical model to observe the different structures inside. You can slice in any direction you like, right? And you can slice from any angle as well. Okay, so this is the slicing tool and it's located on your right hand. Now, sorry, on your left hand. On your right hand, this is your pointing tool. And what happens is when you point at something, it's going to give you a label and tell you what it is. So for example, if I want to find out what this part of the heart is, I can just click on it like this. I can just point at it and I can see the name of the structure. Okay, so it's very easy to interact with Anatomy Master. All you need to do is remember your left hand is slicing and your right hand points. Now, there are two models, as I said. There's the male model and the female model. So if you would like to switch from the male model to the female model, then what you need to do is look at this circle here on the bottom. You can see here the orange circle means that this model is active, and the blue circle means that the model is not active. If you would like to activate the other model, all you have to do is point towards the blue circle, and then using the trigger button, we're going to click on that. And suddenly the circle becomes orange, and that means that now I can interact with the other model, right? If you want to go back to the original model, just click there, and you're going to be able to interact with that model as well. Now there's another thing over here, is the rotate tool. When you use the trigger to click, it's going to allow you to rotate the model in 360 degrees, right? And to choose what position you want. So it's very simple just to rotate just by clicking that. So all you have to do is click on this silver area and you can rotate the model as you like. If you want to move the model, then what you can do is just click on the orange area and you can move the model from side to side or place him in another place. You can make him higher, you can make him lower, right, as you like. Again, and so here you can just interact with the model easily. If you would like to remove any parts of the body, all you have to do is use your trigger button again. So you click and then you can easily remove the anatomical structure by moving it while you're holding the click button. So for example, if I would like to remove here the pectoralis major, then all I have to do is click and move it and then release, right? Once you remove a part, you can actually use that part and you can look at it from different points of view, right? And to kind of get a better idea about what it's like, or you can look at the parts underneath once you remove that. So you can remove any structure you like. Okay, now what happens if suddenly we remove too many things? We can simply go here to the reset button. So again, we're going to click on the trigger and my finger is going to become a pointer, and I'm just going to touch the reset button and the model will automatically reset to the way it started. Okay, so this is some of the basic interaction that we can have with the anatomical models here in Medical Holodeck. So we hope this is useful and that you can enjoy learning anatomy in virtual reality. If you have any questions or there's something you're not sure about, you can ask any of us anytime and we'll be very, very happy to guide you.